If you're watching this video, I assume you've seen social proof pop-ups like this on different sites and funnels, and now you want to add it to your funnel in ClickFunnels 2.0. First of all, that's a great decision because adding social proof pop-ups is proven to build visitors' trust, create urgency, and increase conversions by at least 10 to 15% per page. And second, you're in the right place because in this video, I will show you which tool you can use to create customized social proof pop-ups and how to add them to your funnel in ClickFunnels 2.0. Two things before we get started: you can find the links to the free trial of ClickFunnels 2.0 in case you haven't created your account yet, and the social proof tool that we are going to use in this video in the description. And if you're already using ClickFunnels 2.0, in the description you will also find the links to the packages that will save a significant amount of money on your subscription. And second, before we continue, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to enable notifications to not miss out on the future content. To add social proof pop-ups to your ClickFunnels 2.0 funnels, we will need to complete two steps. First, we will create and customize our pop-up and set up a campaign. And second, we will integrate it with ClickFunnels 2.0. Let's dive into it. To create our social proof pop-ups, we are going to use a tool called Proof. Proof lets you create different types of social proof notifications. For example, showing the total number of people who have recently taken action on your funnel, a live visitor count to add some scarcity, or people who have recently taken action on your site. For example, they opted in on your page to get your lead magnet, or they registered for your webinar. As mentioned before, you can find the link to a free trial in the description of this video, and you can create your account by clicking Try Any Plan for free and then following the steps that you will see on the screen to create your account. Once you log into your Proof account, you will see a dashboard like this with a quick start checklist. We will set everything up in Proof first, and then we will go to ClickFunnels, add the pixel there and test everything. But we will also open the funnel in ClickFunnels where we want to add the social proof notifications, because we will need a few links to the funnel pages when we create a campaign in Proof. The first thing that we need to do here is to create a campaign. Give your campaign a name and click Next. We just follow the steps that we will see on the screen. Now we need to create a goal for our campaign. I will go with the lead campaign because it's the easiest one to test, but you see that you can also select from different types of campaigns here. I give my campaign a name and also set the conversion value, and now we need to paste our goal completion URL here. As you can see in the informational tip, for the purchase, it would be, for example, the confirmation page, and I will paste the link to the thank you page of the opt-in funnel that I have here. And go back to ClickFunnels, click this icon to copy the link to the thank you page, and paste the URL here. After that, click Create Goal. Now we can move to the second step of the setup. We need to create a notification. You see here that Proof will distribute the traffic that goes to your page. 5% of the visitors will not see the Proof notification. The rest of the visitors will actually see the social proof pop-up. And you can change those percentages here. What we need to do here is to select the type of the notification that you want to use. We will go just with recent activity because those ones are not available on my free trial. Click Customize. That's how the notification will look like. We need to enter the message here, and don't skip this step because this one is required. And this is the message that will appear in the bubble here. You can also tweak the display rules here, but I will just go with the simple setup like this. Click Done. If you scroll to the bottom, you will see that there are also more settings for your pop-ups, and we will just go to the next step. Capture data. On this page, we need to paste the URL where we're capturing the conversions or the data. And in our case, in the case of an opt-in funnel, it will be an opt-in page. I will copy the link to my opt-in page here and paste it in the field. All right, and with that, we are ready to go to the fourth step of our setup. On this page, we need to add the link where we want to display notifications, and in my case, it's also the link to the opt-in page. As you may notice, you can also enter multiple pages where you want to show notifications. After that, I click Publish Changes. With our opt-in campaign created, we need to go either to the dashboard or to the pixel install and grab our pixel that we need to paste to ClickFunnels. Just click copy to clipboard. Then we go to ClickFunnels to add this pixel to the page. I will open the page editor for my opt-in page. That's the page where I want to show the notifications. By the way, it's also the page for our funnel launch checklist, which you can get for free, and you can find the link in the description of this video. What we need to do is to go to Settings, Show Code, go to the header code, and paste the pixel that we copied from proof. That's it. We need to go back and save the changes, and after that we can test our proof notifications. To test that, we first actually need to go to the page and opt in. This way proof will have some data that it will be able to show in the pop-up notification, and that's what we are going to do. Preview this page. I will actually go to the live page and quickly opt in on this page, and then we can check in proof if the information was received, and after that we go back to this page again and see if the social proof pop-up will show up. Now if I go to proof and then go to campaigns and click on our campaign that we have created, I see that the visitors count is now 1, which means that our visit was tracked, and now we can go back to ClickFunnels, view our page again and see if the pop-up notification, the social proof pop-up, will show up. And just like that, we see that our notification shows up on the funnel page where we added the pixel. As you can see, it's quite straightforward, but yet the social proof pop-ups are quite powerful. One thing that is left to clarify is the pricing of proof. If we go with monthly subscriptions and you have up to 1,000 unique visitors per month, then you will be able to get the proof subscription for $29 per month. With more unique visitors per month, you will need to upgrade to the Pro plan, which is priced at $79 per month and allows you to have up to 10,000 unique visitors. And then, of course, the more visitors per month you have, the higher the plan will be priced. That's all you need to do to add social proof pop-ups to your funnels in ClickFunnels 2.0. As you have just seen, you can do it even if you don't have tech knowledge, and it takes a maximum of 10 minutes. But the results the social proof on your pages will give is quite significant. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out on the future content. And I will see you in the future videos. Bye bye.